Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this nice question. Solve for x in the equation half log to base 2 of 81 plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to 1. So the first thing we must note is that not all the terms in this equation are logs. So we are going to write the one on the right hand side to be a log, and we're going to use the fact that if the base and the number are the same, then that log is the same as 1. So let us rewrite these with that in mind. So we're going to have half log to base 2 over 81 plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to log to base 2 of 2. So from there, we're going to use the third law of logarithms, such that if you have n log of a, that is the same as log of a raised to the power n. So we're going to use that to write this as log to base 2 over 81 raised to the power half plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to log to base 2 of 2. So when a number is raised to half, then it's the same as getting the square root of that number. So it means this number is just 9. So we have log to base 2 of 9 plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to log to base 2 of 2. So we can also use other laws of logarithms, particularly this first law, so that if you have log of a plus log of b, that is the same as the log of the product of the two numbers. So in this case, the left-hand side can be written as log to base 2 of 9 times this one. We're just multiplying the numbers. That is x squared minus x over 3, and that's equal to log to base 2 of 2. So this is log to base 2 of this number, and it's the same as the log to base 2 of 2. So it therefore means that even the numbers are also equal. So we can say that 9 into x squared minus x over 3 is actually equal to 2. So let us rewrite this as 9x squared minus 3x is equal to 2. So this is a quadratic equation, which you can write in standard form as 9x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can use different methods to solve for x in this quadratic equation. So let us use factorization method. For factorization, you're going to look for two numbers whose sum is the same as b, and b in this case is negative 3, and their product is the same as 9 times negative 2, that is negative 18. So you'll find that those two numbers are negative 6 and positive 3. So let us split negative 3 into negative 6 and positive 3. So you're going to have the equation as 9x squared plus 3x minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. So let us factorize. Let us have the common factor here. The common factor is 3x. We have 3x into 3x plus 1. So you expect 3x plus 1 this side. And for you to have obtained negative 2, it means you multiply positive 1 by negative 2, and that's equal to 0. So we have 3x minus 2 times 1 of this, that is 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if the product of these two numbers is 0, it means either of them is 0. So if we take 3x minus 2 to be 0, it means therefore that x is the same as 2 over 3. And if we take 3x plus 1 to be 0, then it means x is equal to negative 1 over 3. Thank you for watching. Kindly do not forget to subscribe.